Hi students, welcome to my video on punctuation. Today we will do comma, quotation marks and ellipses.
Welcome back, children. As part of our videos on punctuation, we will continue. Today we will learn comma. A comma is the most frequently used mark of punctuation, which provides a slight pause in a sentence. It is used to separate more than two words of the same clause. For example, James, Anthony, Rahim, and Sundar are studying in the same school. James, Anthony, Rahim are all the names of students. So, to separate them, comma is used after James, Anthony, Rahim and Sundar are put together. Raghava is rich, comma, clever, comma, brave and honest. These are the adjectives used to describe about the character of Raghava. Here, the adjectives are separated by using comma. It is also used after an adverbial clause or a phrase. After we had attended the party, comma, we left for Delhi. This is adverbial clause. Born in Nepal, he was brought up and educated here. This is also an adverbial clause. It is also used after sentence adverbs. For example, fortunately he was saved. Suddenly Leela left the meeting. Fortunately and suddenly are sentence adverbs. So after sentence adverbs also comma is used. After introductory words and some expressions. Also comma used. Luckily, finally, accordingly, also, consequently, meanwhile, nevertheless, obviously, perhaps, however, therefore, of course, actually, besides, otherwise, for example, namely, in fact, etc. Comma is also used to separate interjections and other words like yes, no, oh, well, ah. For example, wow, what a surprise! Yes, we did it. Now, next part of punctuation is quotation marks or inverted commas. Quotation marks are commas that are put upside down above the line of writing. They are single quotation marks and double quotation marks. In British usage, single quotations are used, but in American usage, they are usually double. They are used in direct speech. Examples: he said, I am busy. Who are you? She asked. To enclose titles of stories, plays, poems, essays, and articles. Tagore's Gitanjali is my favorite book. So here Gitanjali is kept in between two inverted commas or quotation marks. Have you read the article New Mining Policy? New Mining Policy is an article which has been kept in inverted commas. So, to enclose titles of stories, plays, poems, essays, articles, quotation marks are used. Now, next comes the ellipses. What is an ellipse? Ellipse is a three dots indicated by three dots. What does it show? So it shows the a word or ellipsis is the practice of leaving a word or words in a sentence when they are not necessary for understanding. These are traditionally three dots used. It is used after a break in speech. His declaration was, the house caught fire. Three dots. Means after three dots we have to understand that there is a break in his speech. As an alternative to etc. I bought fruits, nuts, rice, bread, water, three dots. Ellipsis here means etc. When a word or phrase of quotation is omitted, Stone walls do not make a prison, nor iron bars a cage. Here also something is omitted. It shows that something is omitted in this quotation. Stone walls do not make prison, nor iron bars a cage. So my dear students, I hope you have understood internal punctuation like semicolon, colon, comma, quotation marks, ellipses in this class. And for homework, I am giving the following sentences. Please mark the semicolon, colon, comma, quotation marks, ellipses in the following sentences. Thank you.
ಅವು ಓದಲ್ಲ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್
ಓದ್ಲೆ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ
ಏನಾಯ್ತು
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್.
Dear students, as a homework, I am giving the following sentences and you have to identify, you have to write where semicolon comes, colon comes, comma is necessary, quotation marks are necessary, ellipsis is necessary in the following sentences. The monsoon failed this year too, and the country is in the grip of famine. I wasn't annoyed, I was absolutely furious. Sumit said, "Where are you going?" She worked hard, she failed. 15th August 1947. It was the day on which we won independence. Read the sentences carefully and keep appropriate punctuation marks. Thank you. Dear students, as a homework, I am giving the following sentences and you have to identify, you have to write where semicolon comes, colon comes, comma is necessary, quotation marks are necessary, ellipsis is necessary in the following sentences. The monsoon failed this year too, and the country is in the grip of famine. I wasn't annoyed, I was absolutely furious. Sumit said, "Where are you going?" She worked hard, she failed. 15th August 1947. It was the day on which we won independence. Read the sentences carefully and keep appropriate punctuation marks.